Good morning, everyone. I think after this pandemic started, I didn't do any of the shadow sense looks. So I thought I will do one today since my plan got changed and I got uh, getting settled with the new routine and everything. I completely forgot to do my shadow sense looks. So today I'm going to cover the smoky neutral shadow sense. This is the only colors I'm going to use. This was released some time back. I think you might have seen me use natural tan more, even the shadow sense look where I did everything on my face using shadow sense. I have used only shadow sense for eyes, blush and other things. So in that video too, I think I have used natural tan. So when you this is the smoky neutrals came as a collection, so it came with 4 colors, and when you buy as a collection it came with this beautiful grayish slate colored bag, a leather one. So it came with 4 colors, two matte shades and two shimmer shades. So it came with natural tan, which is the one I was always using for my under eye color correction, or even for as a concealer. So that's the one. And next comes slate. This is again another matte shade from this collection, and these two are the shimmer shades from here. One is the what is this one? This is the smoke shimmer, which is like a brownish shimmer, and the other one is pewter shimmer, which is like in between smoke topaz and like a grayish one. So it's like a very subtle shimmer. So this is the colors I'm going to use. You have seen me do smoked eyes using completely a black one. I think I have done a navy smoked eye. I have done a brown smoked eye. Even this week, I have wore smoke topaz shimmer. If you do smoke topaz as a matte shade, even that will look as a subtle smoky eye. If you are not want to have like a bold black smoky eye, this the same way this one will look like a very subtle one. So I'm going to go ahead with correcting with candlelight first all over my eyelid. Candlelight has a peachy undertone to it. That's why it's you can also use it as your under eye concealer, or as a base primer for your eyelids. With the Senegens, you don't need a primer, as well as you don't need a setting set. That I color corrected my base, I'm going to use a natural tan, which is like a light brown shade. I'm going to use it on my crease as a crease color. If you think a natural tan will be really subtle, you can go with even a color like Americano, which will even look nice on the crease. And I am using Sigma E25 blending brush. Actually, Divya gifted me this, and I really love anything of this size. I do have one more from Morphe, which is a M433. That is also a similar one. This is more of a travel size, so this will be work fine to blend any color on your crease. The next one I'm going to use the smoke shimmer, which is like a dark brown shade. I'm going to pack it in my outer corner. I'm going to use a flat brush first to pack the color on my outer crease, and then I will blend it using a blending brush. So I'm going to take a blending brush. This one is from Real Technique. I'm just going to blend out the corners. That way you don't have any sharp edges, and that way when you lay the next color, they won't look what is it, like separated. They all should look in as a one look. When you do a layering of a color, you can always go back with the brush you have used for the previous shade, and just without touching any of the colors, you can just blend out the corners. That way they'll look cohesive with one another. So I have done it on both sides. I try to do one offline. That way, the video doesn't feel like so long. And the next one is the pewter shimmer. I have already done natural tan on the crease, and I have done smoked shimmer on the outer corner. Now I'm going to do a pewter shimmer on all over my lid. This is a inspiration I got from Jessica. She's another Sen sister. She is very good at these trainings, so this is the inspiration from hers. I'm going to take a brush, another Sigma E55 brush. I'm going to pack the color all over the lid. As I said, this is another shimmer shade from the collection, and it's more of like a olive green, a very light olive green shade. This color is really pretty. Do you see? It's a very light smoky eye. It is not like a very bold smoky eye, but it's very subtle. And since it's introduced as the collection, the colors go so well together actually. I'm going to take the brush I have used for the smoked shimmer, and I'm just going to blend out where they both match. I really love how they look actually. Today another gloomy day in Charlotte, so I hate this kind of weather, but I don't have a way. I don't want to push it further, so today I thought I'll do it. As I said, whenever you do two colors together, always take the brushes without any color more and just blend out the corners. That makes the colors look really nicely blended. The last shade in this collection is Slate. I am going to use the color on my lower lid. This is my favorite Real Technique brush for my lower lid. Whenever someone buys the Shadow Sense, this will be the first brush I added to their collection sometimes, because this is such a nice easy to blend brush actually. You can use it on top too, but it may take a little bit of time, but this is my favorite for my lower lids. Do you see the difference when you do a lower lid? Like, I mean, when you finish it, the complete look will look even smokier. So always make sure you do your lower lash line with the color you do for the outer corner. I'm going to use Starry Sky as my eyeliner for today. You can use black, you can use onyx. Based on what you prefer, it's your choice actually. And I'm using black pencil liner in my waterline. As I said, you can use Shadow Sense for your waterline too, so onyx will be really perfect for this look. Being smudge proof and all day wear, any of those will look really nice. Pencil or liquid eyeliner or Shadow Sense, everything is all day wear, so you don't have to worry about smudging. Once these are set, I can do anything and it's not going to come out. So till night, until I remove it, they are not going anywhere. Don't skip the waterline anytime. It is like doing a coloring without outlining it. So that's how it feels. I know you all do tight lining the lower lid, but tight lining the upper lid is also easy. Some people do as it is, but I like to hold it a bit high like this. That way I'll be able to cover it. So you can see it makes the lashes look even thicker. So any eye look is not complete until you do your mascara. So that is the finishing touch. How much ever you do, that will be the one that makes the look complete. I'm going to use the lash primer first. That will help the condition the lashes, and also it's going to lengthen the lashes more. So I will use on my top upper lid alone. I'm going to use our non-waterproof mascara for today. You can do up to 3 coats of our non-waterproof or the waterproof mascara. They are going to help your lashes grow while you wear them, and they won't make your eyelashes to be stiff. So I have finished the eye look, and for my lip look I have picked few colors for today. I think I know I always used to say whenever you do a bold smoked eye look, you need only one point of attraction. Like, so your eyes are your main thing for today. So I can go with any of these subtle shades. Nude honey, I think nude pink, I have done it so many times, so I didn't pick it. So these are some of the limited editions. You can go with nude honey, rose quartz, and gingerbread. So I think I'm going to go with either of these two. Maybe I'll go with rose quartz for today, so it will be really subtle. I'm going to do it with nude I mean rose quartz, and maybe seal it with the new the metallic duo gloss. I did finish my lip look. It's a very subtle lip look. It is rose quartz with the nude metallic nude glass. So this will be really perfect for an evening look, because you have a shimmer come matte look on your eyes, and you have a metallic lip look. So those are the products I have used. I will just say once more what and all I have used. I have used Candlelight All Over, and I have used the Smoky Neutrals Shadow Sense collection, which has the natural tan, smoked shimmer, slate, and pewter shimmer. So those are the colors in my eye. I have you, and it comes with this leather bag when you order this as a collection, and it actually holds so much more. You can literally have like 20 to 30 lips, shadow suns or lip suns here. And I have used Starry Sky as my eyeliner, and the black pencil liner in my waterline. I have used the non-waterproof mascara, and for my lip I have used rose quartz with metallic nude gloss. So that's all for today's look. It was really nice to do a eye look after so long. I really liked it. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.